To list your property on Vrbo, start by creating an account on the Vrbo website. Click on the List Your Property button and fill out the registration form with your email address, password, and other details. Verify your account by clicking on the link sent to your email address. Once your account is verified, click on the List Your Property button and select the type of property you want to list, such as a house, apartment, or condo. Enter the location of your property, including the city, state, and zip code. Provide a detailed description of your property, including the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, and any notable features. Add high-quality photos of your property, including the exterior, interior, and any amenities such as a pool or hot tub. Make sure the photos are well lit and show the property in its best condition. Set a competitive rate for your property based on similar properties in the area. Create a calendar of available dates and set your minimum stay requirements. Determine your cancellation policy and house rules, such as check-in and check-out times, and whether pets are allowed. Review and agree to Vrbo's terms and conditions. Complete your payment information, including your bank account details, to receive payments from guests. Review your listing for accuracy and completeness, and click the Publish button to make your property live on the Vrbo website.